Hi guys, my name is Avinash, and at the time of making this video, I'm studying at a graduate diploma in IT in NMIT, New Zealand. Today we're going to talk about one of the services provided by Amazon in its cloud environment, Elastic Load Balancer, ELB. So, Amazon Elastic Load Balancer is a load balancing mechanism used to distribute application traffic over multiple Amazon EC2 instances. Talking about EC2 instance, they are like VMs running on cloud environment. So it can be a web server or some custom application. So Elastic Load Balancer will distribute the traffic to multiple instances. Like in our case, we have multiple web server running on our Dynastore web application. So whenever someone tries to browse our application, this ELB will automatically distribute the incoming traffic to multiple web servers. By doing this, we can achieve higher level of fault tolerance for our application. Another thing is this ELB will only route the traffic to healthy instance by detecting unhealthy and rerouting traffic across remaining healthy instance. So if you have 4 EC2 instance, then if one of them has stopped working, then remaining 3 will get traffic and the particular one will be detected as unhealthy. While creating load balancer, three options are given to us: application load balancer, network load balancer, and classic load balancer. So in application load balancer, the routing decision is made at the application layer. So here the traffic is distributed across instance using HTTP or HTTPS services. So when the load balancer receives the traffic, it evaluates the listener rules in priority order to determine which rule to apply. Select the targeted group according to the rules and route the traffic to that targeted group. Next, we have network load balancer. The routing decision is made at the fourth layer of OSI model. After the load balancer receives the traffic, it selects the targeted group for default rule and attempts to open TCP connection to the selected targeted group. Next, we use classic load balancer if we have existing application running on EC2 classic network. So when the load balancer receives the traffic, it will choose protocol or port configured and forward the traffic. So first go to Amazon EC2 from services, and then on the left navigation panel scroll down and you'll find load balancing. Click on load balancer. Here is a load balancer for my Dynastore project. Click on create load balancer. We are choosing application load balancer. Now give it a name. Select internet facing at the scheme, and the IP address we are using is IPv4. Protocol is HTTP. And here, as we have discussed, for high tolerance we have to create it a multiple availability zone. I give this ELB a tag name and value. Now in configure security settings, you are suggested to get a secure listener. We are leaving it as default. Now select the security group, which will have multiple security rules. You can create a new security group and select protocols. You can give them custom IPs. On configuration routing, give a name Dynastore routing. And the targeted type is instance, as because we are using Dynastore web servers. Now in register targets, select the instance you want to add to the load balancer so that the traffic can be distributed to those instances. Now finish the configuration. So after the state is active, click on the load balancer, and on the summary section down, select the DNS name and paste it of the URL in your new tab. As you can see, if you refresh it multiple times, then you'll find that the server IP is changing, and as you have selected 4 EC2 instance, so there will be 4 IPs. Now let us stop 2 of the instance, and after the 2 instances are stopped, if you refresh it, you will only get two IPs. So what is happening here is, as we browse the website, it's creating traffic, and every time we visit the page, the traffic is routed to multiple instances. So we have selected 2, so the 2 instance, so the traffic is going to 2 instance, and the remaining 2, which are stopped, so they are stated as unhealthy, so the traffic won't go to those instance. Thank you for watching.